Hi kids, welcome to another long overdue puppet show from Trinity Lutheran Church in Lemoyne. I see today we have Miss Doubt It All with us.
Hello, children.
Well, Miss Doubt It All, you told me Dennis would be with you today. Where is he?
Oh, I doubt you remember, but he's always late, just like one of Jesus' disciples. He isn't here when he should be. Oh, what is his name? I doubt you know. It's Henry or Timmy or...
Oh, I think you mean Thomas. He was late to a dinner when Jesus appeared with the other disciples on the day of his resurrection.
Oh, yes, that was Thomas. Dennis is just like Thomas. He's supposed to be here, but where is he?
Hello, I'm sorry I was late. I was supposed to meet my twin brother, but he forgot about our coffee date.
Well, I doubt that.
Oh, but sadly it is true. He forgot.
Oh, no, I doubt you have a twin.
Yes, it is true. And we also have a half-brother. His name is Dan. Okay, so you are in fact a lot like the disciple Thomas. You were late for an important meeting, and you have a twin.
Oh, Pastor, I doubt any of this is true. He's just making up an excuse for being late.
Oh, look, here is my twin brother now. Wow, Dennis. Your brother does look just like you. So what is your name?
Hi, my name is Dennis, and this is my brother Dennis. And we both love Jesus.
Oh, I can't believe what I'm seeing. Oh, I doubt anyone will believe me.
Well, Dennis, thanks for being a part of our puppet show this week. Kids, remember, it's never too late to share your love with one another and to share your love of Jesus with one another. Let's say goodbye to Dennis and Miss Doubt It All.
Toodaloo.
See ya.
See you next time.